Hi there! If you're already using Apple Keynote to make presentations, then you probably know the basics. But are you ready to discover a dozen hidden features that will make you say, "Wait, Keynote can do that?" Today, I'm going to walk you through 12 unique tricks and tools in Keynote that you might not even know exist. These aren't your average features. They're clever little secrets that can turn your slides into a full-on wow show. Let's start with Real Magic. Magic Move is Keynote's signature transition. It automatically animates objects as they move from one slide to the next. Picture this. You duplicate a slide, rearrange the elements on the second one however you like, and Keynote creates a smooth animation all on its own, as if the objects came to life and flowed into place. No manual tweaking, no complex settings, just pure one-click magic. How many times has this happened? You find the perfect image, but the white background ruins your slide's design. Keynote can fix that in seconds. Its built-in Remove Background tool, also known as Instant Alpha, lets you erase a solid background from an image with a single click. Just select the image, hit the button, and if the background is uniform, Keynote cuts it out automatically. Wow! No Photoshop, no tedious manual editing. And if the background is more complex, Instant Alpha lets you gradually highlight and remove the right color just by dragging your cursor across the area. The next unique feature, editing video directly inside Keynote. Yes, really. No need to run off to iMovie or another editor just to trim a clip for your slides. Keynote has built-in tools that let you trim video, adjust colors, apply filters, and even add text annotations, all without leaving the app. Now here's a feature that really makes people say, wow. Live video lets you insert a live camera feed directly onto a slide. In simple terms, Keynote can stream video from your camera, whether it's your Mac's built-in webcam or even a connected iPhone, straight into a slide during your presentation. Why would you need this? Imagine you're giving a webinar or a talk, and you want your face to appear next to your charts, like a news anchor. Or maybe you're going interactive, showing a physical object live. Just hold it up to the camera, and everyone sees it on the slide in real time. Let's be honest, presenting while tethered to a laptop is boring. You want to walk around, gesture, connect with the audience. With Keynote, you've already got a super clicker in your pocket, your iPhone. The Keynote Remote feature lets you use your iPhone or iPad as a wireless presentation remote. Just connect the device over Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, turn on remote mode, and boom, you're free to tap through your slides from across the room. Sometimes you want to share your presentation remotely or review your own delivery from the outside. That's where the Record Slideshow feature comes in. Keynote lets you record your entire presentation right inside the app, including your voice, slide transitions, and even pointer movements. You basically give your presentation as usual, speak into the mic, switch slides, highlight key points with the pointer, and Keynote captures everything into a single file. After that, you can export it as a video or play it back directly in Keynote, complete with all your pauses and effects. Who says your presentation has to go in strict slide order? In Keynote, you can turn your slides into real interactivity, just like a website or an app. That's because Keynote lets you add hyperlinks not just to websites, but also to other slides within the same presentation. That means any text, shape, or image can become a clickable button. During your presentation, tapping it jumps straight to the target slide, or even opens a website or launches an email. Sometimes a great slide or a short animation from your presentation just begs to be shared on social media, on a website, or in a group chat. What many people don't realize is that Keynote can export slides as animated GIFs. It's right there. File, Export, Animated GIF. Why would you need this? Let's say you created a cool chart where the bars grow smoothly with animation, or a stylish title slide with animated text. You want to share it in a team Slack channel or post it on Twitter. Sure, you could export it as a video, but you can also save it as a GIF, a lightweight file that loops your mini presentation automatically. If you love creating beautiful graphics on your slides, Keynote has a special treat for you. The app includes a rich library of shapes, hundreds of ready-made vector icons and forms for every occasion. Arrows, people, gadgets, animals, you name it. But what makes Keynote unique is that it lets you create your own custom shapes and even combine or break apart existing ones to make entirely new designs. If you want to give your presentation a truly futuristic touch, try using 3D objects in Keynote. The app now lets you insert 3D models in USDZ format and others directly onto your slides. You can import, say, a product or a mechanical part and show it to your audience from multiple angles. You can rotate the model in any direction, resize it, and even include built-in animations, like a spinning 3D logo or a moving character. Keynote supports these built-in animations, which is already impressive. But the real wow factor? Combining 3D objects with Magic Move. Let's talk about style and mood. Keynote lets you add dynamic backgrounds to your slides, animated backdrops that gently move and bring your presentation to life. Think flowing gradients, abstract patterns, or softly animated landscapes. They don't distract from the content. The movement is subtle, but it gives everything a modern, premium feel. And the best part? The dynamic background continues smoothly between slides. So if you use the same animated background across multiple slides, the motion doesn't restart or jump. It flows seamlessly through the transitions. Keynote lets you create a custom motion path for any object, like making an icon fly along a curved trajectory or trace the shape of an arrow. Just select the object, add the move effect, and draw the path with your mouse right on the slide. You can control the speed, direction, start point, and end point. It's a powerful feature for explanations, interactive demos, infographics, and storytelling. The viewer literally follows the movement of your thought. That's a full dozen of amazing features hiding inside Apple Keynote. Each one adds its own kind of wow to your presentations and saves you time and effort along the way. Most importantly, they're genuinely useful, not just flashy tricks, but real tools that make your slides clearer, more engaging, and more professional. Hopefully, as you listen through this list, you found at least a couple you're excited to try out. Thanks for watching or listening all the way to the end. If you found this helpful, Hit that like button and let me know in the comments which feature surprised you the most and which one you're dying to try. Good luck with your creative work, and see you next time.